Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this Arctic kit. It is a sensory bin and I am loving it. So let me show you what's inside and then we'll demonstrate everything. First, you get a box that the lid snaps on. Okay, this is key. This is going to keep things neat and tidy. You get this bin that you're going to be able to put your water in, your ice, all of your snow things, which I'm going to show you. You get these water beads, think Orbeez. You put these in water and they are going to grow. So I'm going to do that when I'm finished with this intro so that we can show you fully with these all grown. You get this really fun ice cube tray. It's silicone. And you can make some ice cubes to play in here as well. I love that since it's going to make the water cold. And then you get these packs of artificial snow. If you haven't used this, this is so much fun. And I love that you get different packs so you can keep these. You essentially add water and it grows into snow. Eventually it will go back into powder form and then you just add more water and it makes more snow. Last but certainly not least, you get all of the pieces. So you get, how cute are these igloos? And then you get a rock, you get some trees, and then another tree, and then you get an entire penguin family. So you get some different penguins. I love this one with the mommy and the baby. You get one that is swimming and even a little gray guy. You get a polar bear and I think that's a fox or a wolf rather. I'm sorry, that is a wolf. And then you get the fox and another wolf, a little snow leopard, a bunny, and a caribou. So let's get this all together and let's have some fun. Okay, let's embark on this polar exploration. Here is everything up close. You can see that the beads have grown. We put them in water. We have everything ready here to go, and the snow. I am super excited. Special shout out to my girl Claire for helping me with this. She had so much fun and gives this 2 thumbs up. So just so all of you know out there, this is kid approved. It's magical. She played with this for hours. It was really engaging. Such a STEM feel to it where you have all of the things that you can mix together and create these little worlds. Love all of the different sensory experiences with the snow and the Orbeez and the ice cubes. The storage is amazing. She made this and wanted to keep it, but where do you put it? Well, we just put the lid on and then she opened it up the next day. She did an absolutely amazing job. I am so proud of her. And if you are looking for a gift for your favorite kid, this one is great. Love this for summer. Love this for classrooms. Just amazing. Love the storage. So realistic and just so much fun. So if you are in the market, definitely check this one out. Hours of fun. We highly recommend.